here's another example of us condensing, freezing, and consolidating a couple of different cooks to put them together to make one final cook. So what you're looking at is about a 2-gallon cake of condensed sap, almost syrup, that we have had in our freezer for about a week. There was about 25 gallons in this condensed sap. We cooked it all down to about 2 gallons. We could have finished it, but we decided just to keep it. And now we're mixing it in with the other 25 gallons we're doing today. So we should end up with over 1 gallon of maple syrup once we're finished. Now we could have cooked these down separately. It just takes a bit longer to cook that portion down on a propane burner. So by putting it all in this large pan, condensing it all down, we will be nearly finished with all of our syrup in this large pan. We'll probably have to cook for a little while on our propane burner, but we won't have to cook for, let's say, 45 minutes to get this down to a half gallon. Then the other portion would also be cook it down to another half gallon or so. So instead, we've consolidated these two. We've condensed it, froze it, keep it in great, excellent quality. Now we're going to mix it in with this week's batch, and then we're going to cook it all down. So that's just some different options you have when you're making maple syrup. You can either finish it if you choose to, or freeze it, keep it in excellent quality, and then combine it with your other sap and then boil it all down. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more maple syrup and black walnut syrup videos.